With a growing number of people using ride-sharing services, it's more important than ever to protect yourself from unexpected situations on the road. Anytime you're letting a stranger into your vehicle, there are many problems that could occur. As a rideshare driver, you need a way to have your eyes on the passenger at all times, not only to protect your vehicle, but also to keep yourself safe and ensure a smooth and comfortable ride for everyone on board. If you don't have the proper passenger management tools, you're putting yourself and your property at risk. Dashcams are designed to be a vehicle security system. If an accident occurs, you can feel safe knowing that the truth behind any accident is recorded and saved for viewing. However, as a rideshare worker, you also have to consider the inside of your vehicle. Regular 2-channel dashcams are designed to record the outside of your vehicle only, so when it comes to capturing the cabin, you will need something more capable in low light conditions. This is where the infrared dashcams come in. IR dashcams have the ability to record under total darkness, offering crystal clear video evidence both day and night. If you are a rideshare driver or someone who makes frequent trips in low light conditions, an IR dashcam is a must-have. The new Thinkware FA200 IRC is exclusive to BlackboxMyCar and is the most affordable IR dashcam that we have ever carried. This camera is equipped with Thinkware's signature parking modes of time-lapse, energy saving, and motion with impact detection without breaking the bank. When paired with a Resellers Neo, the FA200 IRC can be powered for more than 24 hours while your vehicle is parked. For the ultimate rideshare setup, we recommend using an FA200 IRC with a Resellers Neo to record the front and interior of your vehicle, and also a single-channel FA200 with its own Neo to cover the rear.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.